Hello students, we are going to discuss about humidifier using enthalpy transfer unit concept. Heating and humidification psychrometric process of the air, dry bulb temperature, that is DBT, as well as humidity of the air increases. Heating and humidification process is carried out by passing the air over spray of tower, which is maintained at temperature is higher than dBT of air, or by mixing air and the steam. So objective of heating and humidification psychrometric process of the air increases the dBT and humidity of the air. When the ordinary air is passed over the spray of water maintained at temperature higher than the dBT of the air. So, moisture particle from the spray tend to get evaporated and get absorbed in the air due to the moisture content of the air increase. So, at the same time, the temperature of the moisture is greater than the dBT of the air. What about the overall concept? Overall increase in its temperature. This figure shows that heating and humidification process. Left side figure shows that heating and humidification operation. During winter, it is essential to heat and humidify the room air for comfort. This is normally done by first sensibly heating the air and then adding water vapor to the air stream through steam nozzle. Are you clear? Okay. So as shown in figure. So here air flow rate at initial and final MA, water flow rate MW, heat transfer rate capital QH. At initial condition, temperature, moisture content and enthalpy are T0, W0 and H0. Whereas final condition, temperature, moisture content and enthalpy are TD, WD and HD. So in right side figure shows that heating and humidification process is represented on the psychrometric chart. Are you clear? Okay. So during heating and humidification process, the dry bulb, wet bulb and the dew point of the air increases along with its relative humidity. So already I said the humidification is the reverse operation of dehumidification operation. The heating and humidification process represented on the psychrometric chart by an angular line that starts from the given value of the dBT and extend upwards towards right. So refer the figure. What about the initial dBT T0, final dBT TD? So the initial enthalpy H0, final enthalpy HD. One thing is very important here. So the humidification is the reverse of dehumidification. So that's why the temperature of the air, that is dBT of air, is directly proportional to the moisture content. Why? Because temperature increases, moisture content also increases. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here, so this is represented by an angular line. This is start from the given value. Given value means that is a T0. Starting from this. So then extend upward. So whereas dehumidification, this is extended downward. This is the reverse of dehumidification. So here dBT, the given value, and extend upward towards right. So this is the final. The corresponding moisture contents are WD. The initial moisture contents are W naught. So here the two parameters are directly proportional. Are you clear or not? Okay, moisture content and dBT of the air. Thank you for your attention.